Alright, I'm not sure if I'm early or late to this, but did you know that Wet n Wild has a new Mega Glow? It's called Glow in Love. This is an illuminator that is infused with niacinamide, glycerin, so it's gonna be glowy. It's gonna be hydrating too. I'm all about the glow. If you're new here, my name is Anna and I love all things dewy, glowy. I have a whole playlist on highlighters. Probably my favorite makeup products, or my favorite part of the makeup application, is the highlighter. So this only comes in one shade, and the claim is that it has 4% niacinamide, 8% glycerin. So this can be a highlighter, we can use it underneath foundation, so we're gonna do both. I'm gonna show you the color first. Love that this has like a little pointy spout. I don't like when it's like flat and then you have to squeeze it out and it's too much. I don't know. So this is what it's really nice. And then when you blend it out, look at that glow. So if I completely blend it down on the back of my hand, see how it's just giving glowy skin? That's my kind of vibe. With a product like this, I don't know that I would necessarily put it everywhere. I would definitely hit the high points of the face, like the forehead, stuff like that. I'm gonna take it. I got this one at CVS. I believe you can find it on Amazon. You could probably find it at Target. I apologize for the noise in the background. That is Luna. Luna being Luna. All right, so immediately putting it on, it does feel hydrating. It almost feels kind of like, a little bit like a serum. Look at that glow. This is the kind of glow that I absolutely love. So I have it on, right? And if you see me, like I'm looking at you, you can kind of see it, but as I turn my face, it really, really like pops. Beautiful. I'm gonna throw some foundation on top. So I wanna keep it drugstore. Let me see what's in my drawer that I can put drugstore on top. Let's just stay with Wet n Wild. We're gonna do the, I guess they must have come out with a ton of niacinamide stuff. This is the Bare Focus Niacinamide Skin Tint. Let me give it a good shake. I reviewed this already. I like the formula. I hate the applicator. It's kind of like a pain in the butt. Because like you see, I'm gonna pull that out and then, oh, of course it's gonna cooperate today. Usually you don't get that much, but maybe you just have to give it a good shake. All right, so I'm gonna take this. Oh, my shade is light and medium. I feel like Wet n Wild has gotten better when it comes to their shades, when it comes to complexion products. Before it was really bad. It was only like maybe 4 or 5 shades. At least in the like CVS or wherever you would go buy it. I feel like online their color selection might be better. I had to take a phone call. I apologize, but this is the Niacinamide Wet n Wild tint. It looks really nice. I do love this finish. Okay, we're not reviewing that right now. We're still talking about this guy. So now we're gonna take it and we're gonna highlight the face. When I tell you that this is beautiful, it's beautiful. It's not a first impression. I don't know if I said that before. I also ate the sandwich. My energy's better. So I'm gonna take a little bit. This, when you put it on the back of your hand, it's like a very soft, I don't even want to call it a shimmer. It's not really shimmery. Just gives a really nice glow. So I'm gonna pop it over my cheek. I don't see shimmer in it, because I know somebody's gonna ask me, Anna, is there glitter in it or whatever? I don't see glitter on it. It just looks like glowy skin. I feel like when you blend it out and it like completely dries down on your hand and like smudges off, maybe you see the subtlest amount of shimmer, but no shimmer on the actual face. I hate shimmer on the face. I hate shimmery highlighter. It just emphasizes texture for me, and this does not. So I'm gonna take this. This reminds me of like that glow you get with like, what is it called? Hollywood Flawless Filter, Charlotte Tilbury. Like really glowy. It's such a really beautiful product. You gotta try this one out. But this is what it looks like. What do you guys think? I think it's worth it. If you're big into highlighter, I think you're gonna love it. It dries down. It feels very moisturizing, which I do like, but of course that's because it has the glycerin in it. But that's it. Let me know if you guys are gonna try it out. Let me know. Comment below, tag me. I want to see what it looks like on you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one.